Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today's video is all about a doll a week. Alright, this little girl, I don't think she's a real Blythe doll, little tiny. I've been looking for markings. I think my sister did give this to me, and if I'm not mistaken, it's probably an AliExpress mini. Let me make sure I'm saying this right. Gotta look it up here. Petite. So she's smaller than a midi. She's a petite. And a little redhead here. When you lay her down, she's got the sleepy eyes where she falls asleep. Just like regular dolls do. You know, I was looking at her little dress. And this would probably be a pretty easy little thing to make. Definitely would probably do it by hand though, because my machine would probably eat it up. Here she goes. Look, she got her little panties. They're just painted on. It's got a little bow on there. But this is my doll of the week, a little series that I was inspired to do from my sister Tammy over at Peace Craft Dolls. So check her channel out. I'll leave a link down in the description box for that. And let me know if you have any petite dolls, if you got any real ones or fake ones. Let me know down in the comment section below. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.